Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to edit tags here on Asana. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Asana, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Editing tags here on Asana is a straightforward process to maintain consistency across your workspace, especially if different team members or multiple freelancers or even clients have similar tags with slightly different names. Okay, so for us to be able to do that, I'm going to a specific projects, and that's going to be how to edit tags in Asana. I'm gonna click on this one. Okay, so for example, you wanted to work with a specific tags in a task here. This one. I want you to we have a separate video on how to add tags here in Asana, so you might want to check that on our channel. I'm not going to show you how you can add tags, but basically these are going to be the tags, right? I can add in as many tags that I want. For example, this one. And I can put in different colors. That's one way for you to be able to edit some tags. All right. Now, the next option that you can do is go to the My Tasks on the upper left corner. Click on that. And the tags should appear just beside this section. If you can't find it, I need you to click on the Customize here. The four colored squares, and go to the view and edit my task. There's going to be 10 sections here. Click on the arrow, and the tags right now is hidden, so that's why you can't find it. Click on the show. If you do that, what will happen in the tags is going to be here. Now, for example, you wanted to add a tag. All right, you can of course choose the color. Now, for example, you wanted to edit this specific tag. I want you to double click on it. Okay, and you would be forwarded here. There's going to be a drop down menu here on the top besides the title. I want you to click on that. It's going to be the actions. And of course, you can rename the tag. All right, for example, this is going to be Andy tags. Click on update, and that's how you basically rename or edit tags here on Asana. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.